What's the meaning of Burberry? Burberry. Burberry.
Burberry. Burberry. Burberry is a British luxury fashion brand that was founded in 1856 by Thomas Burberry. The brand is known for its iconic trench coat, trademark check pattern, and classic designs. The name Burberry is synonymous with timeless elegance and quality craftsmanship, making it one of the most recognizable and respected brands in the world. Today, Burberry remains at the forefront of fashion, continually evolving and innovating to meet the needs of its discerning clientele. Whether you're looking for a statement piece or a timeless classic, Burberry has something to offer for everyone who appreciates the finer things in life.